You want to be like most Roblox vloggers where you can check the FPS of your game? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use FPS Unlocker on Roblox. So to use FPS Unlocker on Roblox, you'll need to follow the steps. The first thing that you'll need to do is to download the FPS Unlocker. So head over to the official GitHub repository for the Roblox FPS Unlocker. Download the latest version of the RBX FPS Unlocker from the releases section. Now extract the downloaded file. Locate the downloaded file, that zip file, and extract its contents using a program like WinRAR or 7-zip. Now the third thing that you need to do is to run the FPS Unlocker. So double click the RBX FPS Unlocker exe file you extracted, grant it the necessary permissions to run, and the FPS Unlocker will move to the system tray after showing a console pop-up. The fourth thing that you need to do is to launch Roblox and enjoy. Open Roblox and select your favorite game. Click play to start the game, which will now run at a higher frame rate. Take note that FPS Unlocker is deactivated when you update Roblox, so you'll need to download it all over again if you updated your Roblox app. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.